Okay, hi guys, good day. My name is Precious and I'm going to be doing voiceover for one of Angel's cooking videos. Today we made, or she made coconut fried rice. So I'm going to be taking you guys through the steps and how it was done and all of that. While I'm going to be guessing most of the ingredients because she's not giving recipes. But we're going to be making coconut fried rice. So we're going to come through our unsalted butter. We're going to stir that so that it becomes liquid rather, and then add some olive oil. We're going to fry, I do not know what this is called. I'm sorry, I don't know what this is. But we're going to fry whatever that is. We're going to fry some onions until it turns golden brown. Yeah, get that nice fried onion color. You feel me? Yeah. So before I forget, you guys should like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, please. Thank you very much. So we're going to add our rice, our basmati rice. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, basmati rice. So we're going to add that in. We're going to mix it so that it mixes. Yeah, like it shall enter, so that it enters with all the oil and onions and everything. So the rice is just on its own. The rice makes sense. You feel me? Yeah. So we're going to mix that properly and then set it aside. Okay, no, we're going to add some coconut milk. Sorry, we're going to add our coconut milk. Oh, this voiceover is not easy, baby. We're going to add some coconut milk to it. Empty the tin. I don't know how much, but it should be fine. Add some broth. That's your stock. I believe this is chicken stock. Yeah, I said we cook small. All this is from my head. She did not tell me anything to work with. So we're going to do that, and then just going to mix it and let that sit for a while, let that cook for a while. So we're going to attend to other things. We're going to come through our unsalted butter again, then use shrimp and chicken franks or sausage, whichever one you like to call it. And I call it chicken franks. We're going to fry that until it's done. Make sure it's a good color, golden brown. I think everything's like golden brown, sure. So we're going to set that aside for a while, and then we're going to come through our olive oil again, put some onions in it, and then some garlic. I believe that's garlic. We're going to stir that, mix that properly, let it fry well, and then just let it turn golden brown, that color. You feel me? So add some time to it, mix that as well, and then you come through our pepper. Imagine this is the first time I'm adding pepper. As a Yoruba person, please, pepper is essential. Please always put pepper in your food. Thank you very much. So yeah, you add our pepper. You can see that the color is coming red and coming nicer. Yeah. You add some carrots to it. Mix the carrots. Let it enter. Let everything just enter. Let everything enter each other. Add some spring onions. I believe that these are spring onions. Mix that too. It's coming a more vibrant color. Yeah. Things are looking really good now. Add some, I believe that's curry. That should be curry. Hopefully that's curry. Add some salt, bullion cube. I believe that's no as well. So just stir that, mix it well, mix it proper, let everything enter, let all the spices enter it. Yeah. Then you add your sweet corn. In life you need sweet and spicy. That's the ultimate. So after that, you just add your green peas. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that. Add your green peas, mix that up. You can see it's looking quite nice actually. So remove the leaves from your rice. You can leave it in if you want to. It's all up to you. Whatever it is, just do. You make sure you're having fun while doing it. So yeah, you mix the rice properly. You can see that it's pretty much done. And you add your vegetable mixture. I believe those are sautéed vegetables. So yeah, you add your chicken franks and your shrimp to it. After which you now mix it up properly and just mix it. Make sure that thing is looking good. That thing is actually already looking really good. Yeah, it's looking amazing. I can't even lie. So yeah, just mix it properly. Let everything enter each other, Jerry. You can see if you want, because it's already good. And then you add your bell peppers. See, bell peppers, they are gift from God, guy. Because the color that they have, red, yellow, and green. Yeah, those are the colors of food, man. So you can add your chicken once you're done. Just mix it. You can see our coconut fried rice is ready to eat. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and God bless you. I really look forward to doing this once more. Okay, bye.